We had this challenging area in our entryway. It's 18 inches deep. There are return vents in the floor, and I was trying to find a holiday solution that would be the perfect touch. First impressions, I love them in these baskets. The texturing on the branches is realistic birch looking. They integrated the lights in to resemble buds. LEDs are definitely a warm white, but they may read somewhere in between the cool and the warm. I love how they fit into this 18-inch deep space. The 5-foot tree maximum diameter was 27 inches, and it fits so nicely with the 5 and the 3-foot on the angle underneath the stairs. Assembly was super easy. They came in these packages. The trees do come fully compressed, and it's simply a matter of putting the stalks into the base and bending the branches to customize to your space. One thing I was concerned about is how wide these bases would be. The base of the 5-foot tree was almost 13 inches, while the base of the 3-foot tree was almost 11.5 inches. You simply take them from the flat pack and create the X, and then slide in these little turnstiles when you want to tighten the stem into the base. Assembly instructions were thorough. There was printed. There was also a QR code that took you to a YouTube video, and there was information about the warranty as well. And I love the flexibility with the cord. It is 16 feet long, which gives you flexibility to put it anywhere you need it. This is a tree without bending or molding. It is still in its flat packed position. I feel like the tree is well made. The lights are wrapped into each branch individually. It looks like maybe even by hand. And although I bought these for Christmas, I think these would be beautiful at a wedding event, at any kind of like a restaurant setting. They move and bend very easily, but stay put exactly where I place them. And I feel like I can tweak them to fit my space and get them exactly where I want them. Styling for the space is super easy. I dropped them in the basket and covered them with a blanket. And the base for my 5-foot tree fits just as easily. The only difference in the 3, 5, and 6-foot tree are you do have to connect taller pieces for the 5 and the 6-foot tree. You connect those red pieces together, slide the top piece on, and screw it in place. And because I was placing them right next to my stairs, I was curious how they would look from the top. They kind of resemble a firework. 27-inch diameter on the left for the 5-foot tree, 22-inch diameter for the smaller tree, but they fit the space just beautifully. And I like these so much, I'm considering getting a second set for outdoor. They are UL certified adapters for weather regulation, low voltage, 30,000 hours of warm light. I like them indoors, but I think they'd also be stunning on the outdoors as well. And I even like them unlit. Here they are just during the day. The lights aren't on, but they still provide that texture. Very cool shadowing. You could use the dark brown here as well if you wanted a little bit more contrast, but I like both day and night. Really pleased with this. So if you're like me looking for a little magical lighting to elevate your decor or your entryway, these Lightshare trees are fantastic. I'm super pleased with this purchase. Grab 2 or 3 to light up your space as well.